Hey, what's up you guys? I just want to do a quick unboxing video. I have the 1964 Dan Henry Evil Panda chronograph here. I just want to take a quick shot of how well it's packaged in the box. All of Dan Henry's watches come in these hard plastic tubes. I'll show you more, but I just wanted to get a shot in the box for you. And here's what comes in the box. All of the Dan Henry watches, they come in these plastic tubes. It's really nice because it protects the watch. You have Dan Henry written here, and all of these just twist open. And then when you do open it, what came inside is this watch roll. I had previously taken it out. And these are really cool. These come with all the watches, and I use these watch rolls, you know, when you're traveling and you want to take a couple watches. It just has this little twine here, and it unfolds. It's yeah, Dan Henry written down here, and then generally this is what you'll get in each of the Dan Henry watches. You'll have your warranty card. Most of the watches come with more than one strap. This one comes with this beads of rice bracelet, so you have your beads of rice bracelet here. It's pretty cool. And then of course you have the watch. This is the 1964 Dan Henry. This is the Evil Panda, so it's the it's got the white sub-registers on the black. It's a black matte background, if you can see that there. And the hands are blue. The main chronograph second hand is blue, and then the hands on the sub-registers are all blue. At the 9 o'clock, you have a, sorry, the 3 o'clock, you have a 24-hour hand. At the 6 o'clock, you have running seconds. And then at the 9 o'clock, you have the chronograph minutes. This one is a, I'll pull the stickers off here. This one is a 38 millimeter, so it's gonna look pretty good on my 6 3/4 inch wrists. I've been gravitating towards the smaller sizes. And then one of the things that's really cool about the Dan Henry watches is there's usually a pretty cool engraved case back. Let's get the sticker off of this one. And you can see Dan Henry, 1964, limited edition, gives the number, this is number 365, stainless steel, and this is mecha quartz with 50 meters, 165 feet of water resistance. I believe this one is 19 millimeter lug width, or yeah, the lug width, which is kind of a tricky size. Fortunately, Dan Henry sells a lot of the extra straps to go with this one. And then this one is a mecha quartz, so you activate with the top register. And it does have a somewhat of a smooth sweep there. It's, I don't know how many beats per second that is. But then when you stop, since it's a mecha quartz, when you reset, it does snap back because it has a mechanical action for the reset. I did actually choose to get the date one. You can see the date right there at about 4:30. I think they did a good job of masking it on the with the black date wheel. Yeah, so that's just kind of my first quick impressions. I'm liking the size. I'm gonna get it on this beads of rice bracelet and pop it on the wrist. Actually, I'll show you on my wrist with both straps. So here it is on the leather. I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist. That's about 50 millimeters across the flat. So this one is 45 millimeters lug to lug. So you can see it. It sits pretty. I can't really complain. It's pretty much a perfect size for me. So that's on the leather band. You have the Dan Henry on the keeper. Oh, this is pretty nice. We'll see how it breaks in. I had the 1939, and I kind of want to say I like the leather better on that one, but we'll see how this one breaks in. And then let me get it on the beads of rice. All right, guys, that was a bear. I have 6 3/4 inch wrists, and I had to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 links out. It's a little bit, these beads of rice bracelet links are a little tricky. So just be patient, take your time, line everything up. You don't have to tap that hard. It'll come right out, you know, when you got it. What I didn't realize, what makes it pretty tricky is, you know, all these pieces articulate individually, which is really cool. It's gonna make it a really comfortable bracelet, but it does make it difficult to size. But here it is on my 6 3/4 inch wrist on the Beads of Rice bracelet, and yeah, it looks really good. It's got only a single point pusher, which is a little bit strange, but yeah, it's fine. It's got the Dan Henry there, brushed on the clasp, and then brushed on the outer links and polished on the inner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 link. So it's a 7-link bracelet there. So yeah, I'm gonna get it set up and wear it for a while, and then I'll give you a full review. All right, thanks guys.